Hello everyone. I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to look at the Rahu-Ketu transit, which is going to happen on 1st of September 2020. Let's study. This is an Vedic birth chart, South Indian format. At present, Rahu is situated in Gemini or Mithuna, both are the same, and Ketu is situated at Sagittarius, known as Dhanusha, and they are going to transit on or make a movement on 1st of September 2020. Let's study in detail. This is the as-on position of Rahu and Ketu. Rahu is situated in Gemini and Ketu is situated in Sagittarius. Today is dated 13th of June 2020. Let's assume that we have moved to September 1st. What will be the status? Let's proceed further. Assuming that today is 1st of September 2020 and Rahu and Ketu had made a movement. Rahu had moved from Gemini to Taurus and Ketu has moved from Sagittarius to Scorpio. All the 7 planets make a movement in the clockwise direction, whereas Rahu and Ketu move in anti-clockwise direction. Thus, this particular movement is in backward or reverse in a anti-clockwise direction. So, the Ketu has moved to Scorpio and the Rahu has moved to Taurus. Rahu transit 1st of September 2020. Rahu will remain posted in the zodiac sign Gemini from the beginning of the year to September 1st, 2020. It will transit from Gemini to moon sign Taurus. The point to be noted is that the movement of Rahu is always in the backward direction, which is also known as anti-clockwise movement, which implies that Rahu always follows. This is also known as retrograde motion. The transit of Rahu will be an paramount important in the lives of the native of all the zodiac signs. Ketu transit 1st September 2020. From the beginning of the year, Ketu will be posted in the Sagittarius zodiac sign. On the 1st of September 2020, the Ketu will transit to Scorpio from Sagittarius and remain posted in the same zodiac sign till the end of the year. Like Rahu, Ketu follows backward motion. Thus, Ketu is always in the retrograde motion. The most important thing, Rahu and Ketu, as they are moving in an reverse direction or backward direction, they remain in one particular sign for 18 months or 1.5 years. That's the exact time. Then they shift to next sign in the anti-clockwise movement. This is my website. I have given the link of the website in the description box. You can approach me for consultation purpose through my website, or you can reach me through telephone, mobile, WhatsApp, Telegram. The number is 9282103960. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you will be getting the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.